Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be discussing why Cardano experts believe ADA to reach $200 before 2023. Shocking update. We're hosting a giveaway of 1,000 Cardano. To participate in the giveaway, just like, comment, and watch the video till the end to qualify in the giveaway. So without any further delay, let's get started quickly. Analysts and professionals stay questionable over what direction the market is steering from. Here yet Cardano, investors are still exceptionally bullish on the coin's future. Will it move in price amidst every one of the upgrades and developments? How soon will it hit the unequaled good grade of $200? Cardano is a standout among other performing cryptocurrencies all throughout the planet now. It very well may be a nice deal in case you're scheming for a drawn-out investment. What number of us understood that the year 2015 honored another master digital currency's start? Not numerous, until it turned into the third most famous crypto cash, separating 74,000% last year. In front of the Alonzo hard fork and the dispatch of smart contract functionality on Cardano, the altcoin's market capitalization has increased to $92.4 billion. It has supplanted BNB as the third largest cryptocurrency. Cardano's market capitalization has increased by more than 187% in almost 30 days. Analysts expect the proof-of-stake blockchain network to surpass Ethereum's market cap if ADA continues rallying consistently. Autonomous analyst and YouTube content creator Lark Davis has set a realistic price focus of 4 times for ADA. Davis states that a 4x rise in Cardano's market capitalization puts it in a dead heat with Ethereum and opens the possibility of a flippening. A Cardano analyst behind the Twitter handle @theAdaApe shares how far along ADA has come to flipping Ethereum. Analysts expect new smart contract projects and decentralized applications, or dApps, to expand on Cardano instead of Ethereum. When smart contract functionality is live, dApps at present working on the testnet are relied upon to continue onto the mainnet, notwithstanding new dApps in the ecosystem. In their latest development update, shared by the Input-Output Hong Kong or IOHK development team, working on the Cardano blockchain, the dispatch of the testnet and mainnet is on target, and the smart contract functionality is probably going to go live in mid-September. Further, analyst and entrepreneur Tai Zhen believes that the time taken for Cardano to go from $5 to $10 will be shorter than the time taken to go to $5. $5 is considered a psychologically significant level for the altcoin. A 4x increase in ADA's market capitalization is probably going to flip Ethereum. Surpassing Ethereum's market capitalization would make ADA the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, behind just Bitcoin. Cardano as of now does not have a burn mechanism set up, in contrast to Ethereum. Cardano's originator Charles Hoskinson is against instating burn to make fake deflation and supply shock to drive the altcoin's price higher. Based on analysts' views, Cardano has a stronger community compared with Ethereum. While Ethereum has a total value locked of $114 billion from the trade volume on peer-to-peer non-fungible token marketplaces and decentralized finance applications, Cardano is yet to host dApps on its blockchain. Overall, Cardano flipping Ethereum depends on the work via Cardano developers and community post-dispatch of smart contract functionality on mainnet. The altcoin is preparing for a 400% breakout. Analysts at FX Street anticipate that ADA should hit $3.50 as the altcoin shows strength on the everyday price chart. A cryptocurrency which seemingly appeared suddenly is in good shape to take out the number 2 position and possibly even show Bitcoin out of its excellent spot. Certainty is working around Cardano, a blockchain concocted in 2015 after it overtook Binance to come third on the crypto stepping stool behind Bitcoin and Ethereum. Experts think the coin has set its sights on surpassing Ethereum next. Last week, Cardano, known as ADA in the crypto market, surged to a market capitalization of $111.23 billion, officially overwhelming, which stood at $99.38 billion. As per cryptocurrency data aggregator CoinGecko, Cardano has kept on skyrocketing in the past week, rising by 35% to $123.36 billion at season of composing. In the course of recent days, the coin has risen to almost 187%. It's accepted Cardano's freshly discovered ubiquity is from the announcement of a significant upgrade to the network called the Alonzo hard fork. Cardano is at present selling for $3.85, albeit that is significantly less than its opponent Ethereum, which is sitting on $4,429.23 per coin. Experts have predicted that significant gains are not too far off. What is Alonzo hard fork update? Last week, Cardano declared the Alonzo hard fork, which caused interest in the coin to hit an unequaled high. The upgrade allows smart contracts to happen, which are pieces of PC code that can automatically execute when the right parameters are set. That means that once the Alonzo update is finished, anybody can make their own smart contracts on the Cardano blockchain, making ready for native decentralized applications as indicated by CoinDesk. Decentralized applications, or dApps, allow individuals to borrow, lend, and trade with one another instantly, with no obstruction from an outsider, such as looking for a bank to make the transaction. The Alonzo hard fork is the third significant update in Cardano's present stage. The token has 5 primary stages of development, also called eras, which expect to grow the network and make it run as smoothly as possible. They're named after famous writers from the Romantic movement of the 1800s: Byron, Shelley, Gauguin, Basho, and Voltaire. Alonzo is the last significant update for the Shelley era and moves the platform toward the Gauguin area. The Alonzo update is relied upon to start sometime during the second from last quarter of this year. Other reasons for spike. Another reason for Cardano's surge is that from Wednesday, the coin will be listed on Japan's exchange. Japan's models to enter the market are considered one of the strictest on the planet, which is another success for Cardano. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin are also on the Japanese market. Cardano is also gigantically well known because of its proof-of-stake blockchain model is considered considerably more environmentally accommodating than some other mainstream cryptocurrency. Proof-of-stake works means coins are haphazardly designated to users, chopping down the energy required for a transaction. In contrast, Bitcoin and Ethereum use a proof-of-work mechanism, which sees a global network of computers running simultaneously to work with a transaction. Such a strategy requires an enormous measure of energy, with BitcoinEnergyConsumption.com estimating that Bitcoin generated more than 57 million tons of CO2 this year, the same carbon footprint as a small European country. Long-term price prediction. Considering how rapidly the price of ADA has moved throughout the long term, could we see some outrageous price changes in the approach of 2025? Will Cardano go up? Is ADA a decent long-haul investment? What's more, what amount will Cardano be worth in 2025? The economy forecast agency platform predicts that the Cardano price would close 2021 at a value of $3.83, $7.70 in 2022, $8.93 in 2023, and cross the $15 mark price before the finish of 2025. This is incredible news and will please numerous Cardano investors. However, it is still a long way from the highs predicted at Provisioning Bitcoin for 2021. The economy forecast believes that Cardano's ascent will be steady, with the highest prices coming toward the finish of 2022 and the start of 2023. Toward the finish of 2023, we can see the prices of Cardano are dependent upon to arrive at lows similar to the highs of mid-2022, and in 2024 and 2025, we could see a revisitation of levels not seen since 2021. In the event that ideally, they are important for a bearish adjustment that could make ready for another bull run later on. Cardano's possible slump in price towards the finish of 2024 and 2025 is a long way from empowering. We're far from the highs of $14.22 predicted by Provisioning Bitcoin for 2021. Again, these are just predictions. Crypto markets are unpredictable and volatile, so make sure to do your own research and then invest accordingly. So that was all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know your thoughts about the video in the comments section.